You're feeling lonely today.
Okay, my people, this now una man on the street again, and I dey inside Pidgin Laugh Attack House. When I know say this lockdown, a lot of things don't happen for this lockdown stay at home matter. You know, say because of the lockdown now, some people they go see police, go tell police, say, "Oh, officer, leave me. How can you ask me to stay at home?" Some people they go protest, say, "We no fit stay house again." Even for number one guy, they come and say, "I be native doctor. We dey fear corona." I can't look at it. I can't say true. Nigeria supposed to follow the method wey India take. You know, say for India, when they come say people they disobey lockdown, Indian government come arrange with the police. Come say, "Mona dey checkpoint. Mona come keep ambulance. Come keep somebody wey dey inside the ambulance wey be like say the person get koro." So if you catch anybody, we tell am say, "Since you no gree stay house, as you know, they waka any house, so we go put you inside the ambulance make you get the koro by force." Now so they arrange am when these guys they just come with their okada and police tell them say park. They say with the straw, where you know the straw be. Since you no want stay house, we now get koro by force. Now they jack them, throw inside the ambulance. When they see say inside the ambulance, person get koro dey inside. Now they begin shout, "Kai ba hebushiye, luchia kai tapaye, dunia pache mane the road. Hey, nahi, oh boy." Cause see say people they shout, some they will follow window, say one try cut out, they come out, they push them inside. True, nobody won't die, but they won't go heaven. I beg, more than lockdown, more than day house. This now still Pidgin Laugh Attack House. Now man on the street they talk.
You're feeling lonely today. Come along and throw your kiss.